Struggling with math problems in CUET, SSC, or IBPS exams? Most apps just give you the final answer, but does that really help you in the exam? Welcome to Expl-AI-nly, your AI-powered learning companion. Watch as our app not only solves the question but also teaches you the logic behind it. Here's what makes Expl-AI-nly different. It explains the concept behind the problem so you truly understand it. It shows the right formula to use, saving you from confusion. Step-by-step breakdown makes sure you follow the logic clearly. And it highlights common mistakes so you can avoid losing marks. You're not just memorizing answers, you're learning how to solve problems efficiently. Want to go even faster? With one tap you can ask for a shortcut method, perfect for saving time in exams. Expl-AI-nly helps you master smart solving techniques so you can crack any question quickly. Why struggle when you can learn smarter? With Expl-AI-nly, AI makes exam prep easier, faster, and stress-free. Try it now and level up your problem-solving skills. Your success starts here. Study smarter with Expl-AI-nly.